Hello, I am now going to do the fourth part in the series of how to make a FNAF game on Scratch. So, this is where we left off last episode. Made the cameras, the doors, and now it's time for the finishing touches. So, the first thing I'm going to do is the phone call. Phone call. That's not how you spell call. Phone call. And let's just... First I'm gonna make this like block thingy. Set it to like size 50. And then put it up somewhere in like the top. Somewhere, yeah. And then go to any font you want and write mute. Okay, so now you can do the phone call, which I'm going to do right now. So go into sounds and create a new sound by recording it.
Put it the phone call, man.
Let's hear the sound.
Put it the phone call, man. Put it the phone call, man.
Yep, that sounds great. Okay, so when the flag clicks, hide, when I receive office, oh yeah, play sound recording one until done, and then hide when the sprite clicks, stop having scripts in the sprite, yeah, here, and then hide. Oh wait, no. Oh, yeah, I forgot to add this show here. So yeah, that works. Yep. And now I guess we're gonna do time. Oh, also, yeah. I think I should do like the night system first. So let's just create a codes section because that's the only way I know how to do it without having to use Game Jolt. So, yeah. So let's just name the sprite codes. Okay. So let's make like whatever color block, a green block I'll do. Put it like at the bottom or something. And then just make it say code. Merry Christmas. Oh god. Alright, so now it's there. Gotta center that, actually. Yeah, there. And now we can code that. So, I'm just gonna stop that because the music's annoying. When flag clicks, show. When the sprite clicks, ask, what the heck is the code? Or just say, what's the code? I'm just gonna say, what the heck is the code? And then get a if else, and you can, yeah, so if answer equals Davidson, then broadcast office, okay, office, yeah, and then set nights, set nights to 1. I mean, set nights to 2, not 1. Cause yeah. And when flag clicks, set nights to 1, of course. else, and just copy that if you want to make another one, and just make a different name. Jackson Bob. Jackson Bob 3. Set nights to 3. Then set nights to chicken wings. I mean, not set nights to, like, copy that and then, you know. And then, yeah, chicken wings. And then set nights to 4. And then final one, ultra poopy. I mean, poopy. If answer equals poopy, then set nights to 5. And then put in that else, the final else, just say, then say, wait, no, it's in here. Say, wrong code, poo-poo head. Haha, funny. What the heck is the code? Why? Wrong code, poo-poo head. When I receive, and make sure you do this in the code sprite, when I receive office hide. Boom. Oh, also, I forgot to, oh wait, no, it's newspaper hide. And also office, of course. Wait, okay, here's newspaper, and then duplicate that and make it office. And also hide the variable nights. Davidson. Now, it doesn't actually work yet, so we're still going to have to work on that. Also, make sure you do this in the play button sprite when I receive office hide. Wait, no, wrong one. Davidson. Now, first, what I'm going to do first is the phone call, a different phone call. Closed door, night 2, wow. Closed door, night 2, wow. Closed door. Okay, so then again, an if else. If nights equal 1. Wait, no, nights is in here. Nights equal to 1. Then just play this. If nights equals 2, then play the second one. And then else just hide, I guess. Because I don't wanna bother creating more phone calls. Davidson. I can't tell if this is a joke or anything now. Okay, now I'm gonna have to work on we're gonna have to work on changing the AI for the frog dude man. Okay, it's in there. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of the when I receive total restart for now, because like, yes, I don't wanna do the same thing, but like, okay, I know I don't have to explain, but okay, so if night equals 1, then put the same, like the thing you did for the first thing, and then if night equals 2, then let's make it go like a little faster. Yeah. And then if night equals 3, then let's make it go even more faster. Okay, 5 to 7. And then night 4, it will go even more faster. And then night 5, it'll go practically at the speed of light. Oh, wait. I need to change that. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna change this a little, just, yeah, okay. Okay, now we got the AI done. We can finally do, okay, so night 2, which would be Davidson. Davidson, what did I tell you about going into my cookie? Move. Okay, he moved. And then he'll come to the doors faster. What? Oh, okay. This one. Okay, he should be gone now. Okay, so yeah, it's practically working by now. All we need to do now is like time. Time. I got no time. I got no time to live. Okay. Okay, so let's make it go to the top. Wait. Go watch another tutorial if you want to do power, because I do not want to make power. Don't ask. Yes. Yeah. So write 12 a.m. in whatever font you want, then make it go to the top of the screen. I'll just make it go to 00, because you want to do that if you want to make it go to the top of the screen, but you can like drag it around, so yeah. And then get rid of the 2 and like duplicate it, then get rid of the 2, and that creates 1 a.m. Then duplicate it, then create 2 a.m., then 3 a.m., then 4 a.m., and then 5 a.m. Okay. So once you've got that, well, okay, so reflect clicks hide. When I receive office, show, switch costume to costume 1. Wait, like, I would do 45 seconds, and then wait 45 seconds, switch costume to costume 2, wait 45 seconds, switch costume to costume 3, wait 45 seconds, switch costume to costume 4, wait 45 seconds, switch costume to costume, 5, wait 45 seconds, switch costume to costume 6. And then once you got that, I'll make sure it's, wait, 45 seconds at the bottom of the, yeah. And then let's make a new broadcast called 6 a.m. Yeah. So, 6 a.m. screen, I guess. So let's make it 6 a.m. Let's make it like a black void with the letters 6 a.m. at the top. Yep, at the top. And then, well, we're gonna just do the code. So, the code for the next night. So, the second one would be, well, Davidson. Then, well, not for you. It could be anything different for you. So, and then create a new costume. Duplicate it, and then copy your second code, which would be for night 3. Then yeah, put it there, and then duplicate that thing again. Then what's good? All right, chicken wings. And yeah, so make sure it's duplicated. Make chicken wings. Wait, no, don't make chicken wings. Don't make chicken wings. Do not pause this video and then do your final code, which would be night 5 or any actual night. It can be more than 5 nights if you want. And set it and go to 0, 0. Make sure it's going to 0, 0 or was already there. And once it's there, you can do. Oh wait, no. One thing I need to do is just put some little text at the bottom that says green flag to go back to the menu, and copy that into all the sprites. Okay, so when flag clicks hide, and then when I receive 6 AM, show if nights equal, I need an if else actually. So if night equal 1, then switch costume to costume 1. If night equals 2, switch costume to costume 2. If night equals 3, switch costume to costume 3. And if night equals 4, switch costume to costume 4. And then we're gonna create another sprite, and let's just make it make this like 6 AM go closer, and then make some text that says you have completed the game. And then if night equals 5, switch costume to costume 5. So now we should have a pretty basic functioning FNAF game. I might make a tutorial on how to make a FNAF 2 styled game. So yeah, so let's just test it out, I guess. So let's just do 4th night, chicken wings. Chicken wings. Oh yes, I'm pretty sure the time system would work, so we just have to wait. Oh my goodness, he already moved. Oh my goodness, he's already at my door. Oh yes. It's kinda is so hard. Oh wait, one thing you need to do quickly, go to new game button, and when I receive office, stop other scripts in this right. Okay. So there we go. Chicken wings. So make sure to share your games that you made in the comments, and goodbye.